Now, for the next topic, we have the delegation. Power tripping nga lang ba ito ng mga managers para ipasa ang trabaho sa iba? Definitely not. This is not the essence of delegation. Pag sinabi nating delegation, we assign responsibility or authority to another person to empower them, okay, and to give them trust. Okay, not necessarily nagpa-power trip or tinatamad ang mga managers o yung mga bosses natin kaya sila nagpapasa ng trabaho sa atin. Okay? They assign responsibilities on us, okay, to carry out the task in the most efficient way, to prepare them for future. Merong several advantages or importance bakit nagde-delegate. Okay, on to our next slide. Importance of delegation. So number one, there's effective management kapag nagde-delegate ng task. Kasi pag sinusolo ng isang tao, kahit manager pa yan, it would be very difficult for him or her to be productive, lalo na kung physically and mentally exhausted siya sa task. That's why kailangan niya i-delegate yung ibang task. Number two, to prepare employees for career growth and development. Di ba as employees, pag nabibigyan ka ng mas malaking responsibilidad, at first pwedeng mahirap at first pwede ka magreklamo because of so many things under your plate. Pero kung iisipin mo, it could be a possibility na pine-prepare ka na for a higher position, a higher set of responsibilities. Kasi sabi nga ni Spider-Man, with great power comes with great responsibility. So it is a good move for career growth and development. Another one is to motivate the employees. Namomotivate sila kasi kung mas maraming responsibilidad, ibig sabihin mas pinagkakatiwalaan sila ng boss nila at ng kumpanya. So it can be a motivation booster. It is also a room for growth for company facilitation because mas maraming natitrain na tao, mas maraming nagiging capable to manage in the future. We all know that hindi naman permanent ang tao sa posisyon. May tumatanda, may nagre-resign, may nalilipat. So, delegation helps us to be more familiar with other tasks. Managerial structure basis. So, kapag nade-delegate ka, most likely nga, you're being groomed to become a manager in a certain level. There's better coordination kapag nagde-delegate because mas gumagaang yung workload ng lahat. Maybe nadagdagan ka man ng work, pero dahil dinelegate sa'yo, okay, you could also delegate some tasks to other people as well in the future. Reduce managers' workload kasi nga sobrang dami na nila on their plate sa totoo lang. A typical manager would really work hard, no, just to perform well for the sake of the company and for the sake of his or her subordinates. Okay? Kaya para mabawasan, they empower their subordinates by giving tasks, okay, by delegation. Basis of superior-subordinate relationship. Ibig sabihin, pag na-assignan ka niya ng task, ibig sabihin lang nun, you're under his control and care. Okay, take note, control and care. Principles of delegation, dapat nagmamatch yung skills dun sa task na gagawin. Ay, hindi pwedeng hindi expert yung binigyan mo. Or at least willing to learn yung employee. There's an organized and clear communication kung mula saan at hanggang saan yung gagawin. Transfer of authority and accountability to a specific activities must be clearly communicated as well. So, at the end of the day, usually naman pag dine-delegate, pag may mali employee, ang sasagot pa rin yung manager. Okay? And then select suitable delegation level. Hanggang saan lang yung hahawakan niya. Okay? So say for example, financial records, okay lang for recording, pero in terms of money handling, baka hindi niya pa pwedeng gawin. Okay? There's a certain level of trust. Elements of delegation. We assign roles and responsibilities. We grant authority to a person and we create duties and responsibilities, also known as obligations. Okay, so in our next slide, pag-aaralan natin yung steps in a successful delegation of tasks.